Fear of human life is what? Strongest fear of human life is what? While alive. While alive.
Losing.
Fear of unknown.
Fear of unknown. Uncertainty. And I always say as a doctor, we see patient coming to us, waiting for doctor, and many times at airport, people are waiting for the flight. During that waiting period, I always observe many things happen. And this is called anticipatory stress, which is the major killer in human life. While I am sitting at airport, I am watching. Flight is supposed to come 6 o'clock. Majority people started saying 5:30, flight has come or not. They will go and ask, flight has come or not. And even before they announce for boarding, people stand there. This is showing somewhere impulsive or insecurity is working. Fear is working, and that damages our DNA system. DNA in positive meaning is develop yourself new awareness. Develop new awareness for this changing scenario of the world. This is a total changing world now. Things will not work which used to be working before. Old paradigm will not work. Old theories will not work. Now we have to create our own new theories to handle the problem positively. Somebody asked Lord Gautam Buddha, I want happiness. Lord Gautam Buddha say, remove the I. And I means ego. False covering, false mask, which I am not. But I am wearing this mask to hide my personality. Why people smoke? Clouds of smoke are there, and I am hiding behind that mask. Why people drink, addicted to drinks? When I am taking drink, my subconscious mind work more and I am able to express myself, otherwise not. So these are false mask personalities, we have to remove it. Then Lord Gautam Buddha say remove the want. Want means desire. Now desire may be positive, desire may be negative. Desire is good and desire can be converted into greed. How to identify that I am going from desire to greed? There is a very thin line between desire and greed. And that is where the total management comes of the life. And if we cross the limit, problems start coming. And the markers for that greed is one, losing the happiness, losing our health, losing the relationship, getting angry, getting upset, fear is coming. All these are showing somewhere I have crossed it. But if I maintain the balance between my desire and demand, happiness will be there. Emotion means energy in motion. E, motion. Energy in motion. All emotion have energy. Whether is a negative, anger got lot of energy. Depression got a lot of energy. All emotions have energy and they create the reactions in our body, whether physiological reaction, whether pathological reaction to adopt that particular change. As I already said, different factors are there in emotional mastery. First is self-control. Self-control means keeping a balance of both. Left hemisphere, right hemisphere of the brain. Both are there and we are working through both of the brain, both hemisphere, and we have to keep a balance of both. Delay gratification. Important factor is delay the gratification. Can do attitude. And I have to motivate myself. In this changing world, no one is going to motivate you. Before, boss, parents, God used to motivate people. Now even God becomes so busy going to Russia, going to Palestine, going to Israel, problem solving. So many are remembering him. So if I am calling the God, give me motivation, I am not available. As we say, I don't have time. God also say, I don't have time. So how to motivate our own self? Now the factor is coming, we all have to motivate our own self. No one is going to motivate me. Every morning I have to motivate myself. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand and tell yourself, I'm good. Everything is good. I'm beautiful. Today is a new day. Let me enjoy Monday. People get more heart attack on Monday. Why? Why? Same software open, memories open, going to work, hard work, traffic problem, boss, workers, so many things come, so many files get open. And if I am not able to solve those files, pressure come to our systems of the body. And that is where we have to motivate our own self every day. Whenever you get time, you are not doing any important thing, tell yourself, I am good. Everything is okay. This is one of the most powerful words, I am good. Low self-esteem is the root cause of all the problems. In psychology, the main problem comes when person have low self-esteem. Low self-esteem person may have superiority complex or inferiority complex. Both can be there. Superiority complex means he will become aggressive and he will become overreactive, defensive. Inferiority complex means all the time he want to be at one place, he don't want to go front in the life. And the main word come, I am not good. I am worthless. And this is a very negative statement once it comes to our system. I am worthless, then nothing can be done. Very difficult. And all psychotherapy is correcting that thing. 90% problem come, I am worthless. Two type of neurotic are there. One say I am not good, others say world is not good. He fight with oneself and other fight with the world. World is not good, corrupted. Everything is bad, so bad. Why I took birth here? So this is two type of people. And here we have to improve ourselves that I am good. I love myself. Cognitive intelligence is about thinking. Emotional intelligence is about feeling. Spiritual intelligence is about being. Three intelligence are there. They continuous work and act and interact with each other. Our thoughts, our emotions, feelings, and our being part always working. And whenever there is a conflict between being and thinking, then problem comes. Whenever there is a conflict between being and feeling, then problem comes. Even in feeling, sometimes we hide ourselves how I should feel. Rather, whatever I am feeling it. But sometimes we hide our feeling, I should not feel like this. I am not supposed to. I am the boss of the organization. So I have to be all the time, have a cheerful face, smiling face. And if I will not smile and cheerful, people will be watching me. Whenever feelings are there, sometimes we go down, sometimes we feel better. And that is what our ECG is. Whenever we take ECG, it goes like this. ECG never go like this. If ECG go like this, what happens? Die. So ECG is also telling, heart is also telling, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax. Heart all the time is not contracting. 0.3 second contract, 0.5 second relax. Why heart relax? So that blood can come back to the heart and again pump the blood. Same thing happen in our life. Sometimes we are in good mood, shape, sometimes we are down, and that is where we have to correct ourselves. What are the major reasons for melting human nature in this 21st century? The first thing is preoccupied mind. First and foremost, all over the world I have seen preoccupied mind. Second thing is expectations. They are increasing from our own self and they are increasing from others. Expectation from the self and from others. And third thing, somewhere what others are thinking for me. Majority we do to please others. How I am looking? Somebody said, good, very good. I feel good. Somebody said, no, you are not looking good. So I go down. I will go in mirror and see what is the problem. So expectations are increasing from the self, from the others, and others are feeling for me. And that is where the whole problem's becoming more and more. And we have to see our own capacity. How much I go, why I want to go, how far I want to go. That I have to see as per my capacities. And then I will go with my own speed.